Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna continue my Chinese Zodiac makeup series with the dragon. As you can see, it says yellow, the lucky color, so I'm gonna focusing on yellowish colors. First I use my Garnier BB cream, as always as a foundation. I really like this and I'm starting to run out of it, but it's really good yet. I hope it won't run out before the quarantine things ends, because yeah, I want to make videos. But if it turns out I have something else. Then I'm using my Sporty so matte cover stick to do a little, like, what is it? I don't remember the word. Primer? No. Why I don't remember the word I want to say. Okay, so I'm using like this. And then I just brush it out or smudge it out with a sponge. Just tapping all over my face. And I really love these new sponges that I got in October. They are pretty good. Then I'm using my Maybelline powder to fix my face, because it usually moves a lot, and I just learned a few months ago that powder could help with it, but I didn't like powders, but now I like them a little bit better, and then now I know how to use them correctly, so every day we learn something new. Then I used my NYX Simply Red cream lipstick in the color Russian Roulette. I really love this lipstick as blush, because I wanted to create a little bit red, because only with yellow I felt it was too monochrome, so I wanted to mix up with some oranges and with some red. Then I'm using this eye pencil. These are the same brand, I just don't know the brand. Yellow and the red, and in the middle I just mixed them on my eyebrows, and it created this nice eyebrow look. Then I'm using one, or if not my favorite makeup palette, the NYX In Your Element Fire, starting with a yellow base, just brushing it all over my eyes, on my here on my bone, and just brush it out to the end of my face, as you can see it here. And also I'm using a brush from NYX. I really love this brush, this is my favorite brush. And then I'm applied this yellow under my eyes too, to give a little base. Then I switched to the orange color from the same palette. I really love this palette, and I'm using these colors a few times, because I'm not doing that much makeup, but I love using these colors. They are so pigmented, but could be more pigmented, and builds up beautifully. Then I tapped a little red there at the corner and brushed out a little bit to create this nice look. Then I used the eye pencil again to draw some lines to give a bigger focus on this line and make it more harsher and redder. Then again I switched back to my fire palette and did some contouring with the orange. It was first a little bit reddish because yeah, I'm using the same brush for lots of stuff, and I'm not cleaning it before several things, because this is my favorite brush. I really love to use it, and I'm just experiencing with things, how to use the brush, how many times I can use one brush. So yeah, I really love that brush. And then I switch back again to my NYX Simply Red cream lipstick in the color Russian Roulette to line my lips. I wanted to do something big and over the top, because I wanted to make this look a little bit extra, but not with gems and I think I wanted to make it by a look extra, and then I used the little cute orange lipstick, but it wasn't strong enough for me, so after that I switched back to my Mix in Your Element palette again and added the orange color on top of that lipstick to make it look more orange, and it helped a lot. I don't know if it's visible here, but maybe a little bit visible, but it made it nicer orange. Then I added a little yellow in the middle to make it a little bit nicer and full. It was a nice touch to the lips, that yellow there, and I really like that I did that. Then I used my NYX Love You So Much Little Life palette. I used the gold color. And yes, I used lots of NYX products in this makeup. At the end I'm gonna make a full face of NYX. I feel like I'm kinda going there with that much. And I think it's not a surprise and not a secret that NYX is recently my favorite makeup brand, but I didn't use every makeup brands yet, and I heard lots of good stuff of others, so I'm gonna try out some other things, but I really love NYX. And I have this glitter gold kit from NYX again, the number 2. I used the glitter glue or primer, or how you want to say, and I used the gold glitter because it's yellow, and as I said, I wanted to be a little bit extra for this look. I really don't like glitters because it's sometimes hard to clean up and wash off the face, but I like how this look turned out. And then I'm using my Miss Sporty Fabulous / Extra Black mascara. I really like this mascara. I really love Miss Sporty. And yes, I'm running out of mascara, so that's one of the things why I used it, but I really love this mascara. It's pretty good. And at the end I just put up fake eyelashes, and that was the finishing look. So if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, there's a lots of link in the description that you should check out. And see you in the next video. Bye!